Kia ora all, welcome to the start of one of New Zealand's shortest and sweetest waterfall walks. Owharoa Falls track. It's a real quick one. Let's go see a waterfall. It's been absolutely persisting down today, so I think we should be in for something quite glorious. We're just off the main road here, right near the famous Karangahake Gorge. The path here is super easy, well maintained and flat, which is why it's so accessible for everyone, no matter your fitness level. Excuse me wiping the lens with my sleeve, but you gotta do what you gotta do. It's really amazing how peaceful it is here. Even though we're super close to the main road and the famous Hauraki rail trail, the whole area of Karangahake Gorge has a very rich history in New Zealand's gold mining industry. Wee! This really feels like a hidden oasis. While the falls themselves are natural, you'll find plenty of remnants of the past here, like old tunnels if you explore further along. Down here first. So, oh, but I want to see the waterfall! Hold your horses. Look at this! Appreciate this creek. Very cool. Alright, let's go have a gander at the big boy. And just like that, there it is, the Owharoa Falls. You can see clearly why it's so popular. It's massive, thundering cascade, but it gets more graceful with that multi-curved flow thing going on. Wah ha 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 ha! The terraces on this look absolutely magnificent. Oh, it's still spitting. Oh dear. Great day for a swim. Why not? It's often called a staircase or a fan waterfall because of how the water falls over the layers of the smooth bark rock. Getting a sneaky bit closer here so you can appreciate the details. Actually, it's a series of 3 waterfalls. First and third tiers are the ones that you can easily see and get close to. The middle one's actually hidden a bit, but it's more visible from the road if you happen to pass by. Absolutely bucketing down at the moment. Not just the waterfall. Well, from the side you can really see those individual layers a bit more distinctly. It's quite mesmerizing. While this is lovely all year round, it's particularly enchanting in winter and in spring when we've had more rain. Today we're blessed with a torrential downpour, of course. Again, I just want to say thank you so much for joining me, appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you guys all in the next video. Take care.